Across the valley today, we do have some high clouds working their way in. Our valley sky cam showing that no rain threatening from them, but certainly filtered sunshine as we head into our evening hours. Out at Hector, we have 81 degrees on the thermometer. Skies reported to be clear, but as we can see, there are high clouds moving in. North winds, or northwest rather, at 5 miles per hour. Here's a look across the region. We have upper 70s from Sisseton through Gwinner and the Devil's Lake area. 81 in Grand Forks and a lot of upper 70s and low 80s as well across western Minnesota. We did have a couple of rumbles of thunder in the Arrowhead of Minnesota. Those are moving southward and basically clear of our viewing area, highlighted in white here on the county outlines. And we are quiet all the way across the region. We do have clear skies from northwest Minnesota into the central and southern Minnesota. Some popcorn cumulus clouds down to the south, and here's the high clouds drifting over the valley right now. So we will have a fair amount of cloudiness with us, but the rain chances, they're way out there to the west. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows no inclement weather to be concerned about this evening. Temperatures will slip into the low 70s and upper 60s by the time we get to bedtime tonight. Not much wind to speak of either. Overnight, the only weather concern will be some patchy areas of fog once again, a possibility. And temperatures near 60 as you head out the door. Sunshine aplenty for the first hours of the morning, and heading into the midday hour, we'll see temperatures near 80 already. And then in the afternoon, here's the difference between Wednesday and today, and that will be south winds that pick up in our western counties. Some gusts over 20 miles per hour will be likely through the midday hours and into the afternoon. It doesn't look as windy across Minnesota, and it does look like once again we'll see a batch of clouds work their way over the eastern third of North Dakota to close out the day. Not expecting much in the way of rain from those clouds as we head through your evening. So Wednesday, another quiet one, but warm and windier. As we start out the day, we'll enjoy sunny skies, temperatures climbing through the 70s, and light winds. Those winds pick up in the afternoon with gusts over 20 miles per hour, likely at times. Temperatures peaking in the mid-80s with more clouds for the evening. Kind of a carbon copy performance of what we saw today across the region with near 80-degree readings in western Minnesota and less wind. A little more wind out to the west. All right, for Thursday, the thunder returns. It looks like a hot one, too. And that hot air and increasingly humid air will fuel a few storms. Where you see the deep green colors, we could see a couple severe storms there. But as we go into the afternoon and evening, those storms have the best chance of being severe with hail, damaging wind, and an isolated tornado or two. Not out of the question. We'll keep you advised there. Paul capturing this Little Sand Lake beauty out there. What a lovely scene, glassy water, and we'll have another day where that'll be the case in Lakes Country, including Hubbard County there for tomorrow. Not much wind, maybe a little more than today. Mid-80s. Then on Thursday, we'll have our thunder chance after a hot one. Some in the south and east could reach that 90-degree mark once again. Friday, temperatures seasonable and it looks dry. Saturday, it looks hot to start the weekend. But once again, we'll have some transition taking place. Spotty showers and thunder showers, mainly north the way it looks right now. Temperatures closer to 80 to cap off your weekend. Then next week we start out with quiet weather, just like this week. So a 7-day stretch, the only hitch in the old giddy up there Thursday afternoon and evening, and we'll keep our eyes on the skies for you there.
But this is more like it, right? Rather than 2 solid weeks of rain.
Yes. Yeah, we're getting away from that because the mosquitoes really like that.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Yes.
Speaking of...